highlights of ICASA conference, there's several. The first, the most, I think, obvious one is the degree to which the elimination agenda has been really prominently discussed over a number of different sessions, plenary, satellite, and so on. There's a momentum behind this from country governments, from African regional networks, from global organizations that are here. Frankly, in a way that exceeds my expectations, and I think it's a real sign of very effective work in 2011 by PEPFAR, by UNAIDS, by EGPAF, and many other partners. It's really very, very encouraging. There are a couple of other important highlights. There's a lot of discussion around funding, of course, question marks around the Global Fund and what comes after Round 11. More reference to and support for meeting the targets of Abuja, the 15% financing by country governments. More discussion around different kinds of financing that has to be identified. Everyone always says innovative financing. That just means different kinds other than just relying on the donors. And a real emphasis on health systems and the integration of maternal and child health and PMTCT, for example, which really play to our strengths. So it's really been a good conference. The ICASA is important to the elimination agenda, kind of in two directions. On the one hand, it's an opportunity for us to take the measure of, what are people saying, what are governments saying, what are partners saying, what are our donors saying. And we've heard a lot from them in support of the elimination agenda. In the other direction, it's a real opportunity for those same partners, but for EGPAF, to put a very strong foot forward and be clear about what our mission is, what our work is every single day in each one of the countries in support of that agenda. And it's important then that we have the kind of really strong team from EGPAF that's here, not surprisingly, terrific. I think we're about 20 colleagues here. Poster presentations, satellite presentations, plenary presentations. And we're also joined by two executive directors of Ariel Foundations from Mozambique and Tanzania, Larian and Paula, and also the program director, Nathalie, from Côte d'Ivoire. So this conference is every other year. It's several days. It's a lot of work to get here and people's time and so on, but it's a very good opportunity for us to both push and listen to and understand where the partners are on our work.